morning, you guys. It is a horribly gloomy day outside. Usually my apartment gets the most beautiful natural light, but today I have all my lamps on, as you can tell. But I have a little morning routine style vlog for you guys. As my first video of 2020, actually, I took a nice little break at the beginning of this year, at least from social media work, not from other work. But I'm so excited to be back on here with you guys and back on Instagram and everywhere. Just feeling really refreshed. But I just made coffee and oatmeal, as you saw, and the oatmeal I've been making lately is so delicious. I'm gonna put a recipe down below for you guys. Peanut butter and walnuts and berries and the soy milk. It's like the best way to start the day, especially with coffee, and oats just leave you feeling so satisfied and fulfilled and energized, the most important thing. But yeah, I had that. Now I'm on my computer on my couch. I've been doing this lately just as kind of like a slower start to my day, sometimes before our part-time employee Tori comes in and works with us. It's nice to just have a bit of the morning to myself and go ahead and tackle emails and anything urgent. I feel like I really ease into the day a bit better if I'm just like sitting on my couch in my cozy clothes with my coffee, responding to emails. It's the best. And I feel like inbox anxiety is so real, especially with Staatsballett business emails and customer service inquiries. You know, sometimes I can just be a lot when you first wake up in the morning. But another morning essential for me is taking my daily vitamins, and I use Ritual Essential for Women. They're actually sponsoring this video. I've been using these vitamins for a few months now. I used to take several different vitamins a day, and honestly it's just a lot to keep up with and more expensive as well. You know, life gets away from us. It can be hard to get all of your essential vitamins every single day, and this is obviously a really easy way to ensure that you're doing so. And of course, these are vegan vitamins with no shady additives or ingredients that you don't want to put in your body. There are 9 nutrients in these vitamins, including vitamin B12 and vitamin D, which were the main ones I was taking before because I eat a plant-based diet. They're super easy on your stomach, so you don't have to take them with food if that's inconvenient for you. You can take them first thing in the morning. And they deliver straight to your door via a subscription service. Let me look up the code for you guys, but I know that you can get 10% off your first 3 months of Ritual. If you're interested, I'll have the link down below. So you can go to ritual.com/Kailee10 and use the code Kailee10 in all caps to get your 10% off. Thanks again to Ritual for working with me on this video. For now, I'm gonna get back to my computer and probably check back in with you guys around lunch. Occasionally I will go to a workout class around this time. I think I'm gonna go in the evening tonight. Lately I've really been feeling thankful and trying to take advantage of creating my own schedule, so I try to be intuitive and do whatever feels best for me at the time. Today seems like it's gonna be a pretty chill Monday, especially since the weather is so gloomy outside. Chill in terms of not doing much activity outside, but I do have a lot of computer work to get done. We are releasing our new collection on Saturday, so in 5 days. And I'm feeling like less stressed about it. We've gotten a lot of stuff done ahead of time. There's definitely still a lot to do. Having a macro bowl for lunch. This was actually pre-made by this company called Urban Remedy. It's got all the good stuff in it. I'm really trying to get back on my healthy food kick and just eat a bit less processed food and junk. Not really for weight loss reasons or anything of the sort, just because it makes me feel better. So I'm gonna eat this, continue work for the day. The salad is super delicious. I always feel better when I eat this way, but sometimes it's just hard to have the motivation to do it, you know? I'm sure a lot of you guys feel that way too. Since I've been back from LA and took my little break from work and the internet, at least from like my social media job, I guess, which was honestly so refreshing and nice just to kind of unplug from online. I've been trying to get back into health, as I was saying, and fitness, and using ClassPass, considering joining a gym. I just don't know if I'm like a gym person, you know? I'm definitely more of a classes person. I pretty much only do yoga or Pilates. I'm not really sure what I would do at a gym. I really hate cardio. I think that's my main problem. So I don't know. I do like to follow Maddie Limburner's workouts here on YouTube. She also makes vegan videos, but she has a fitness channel. And I follow her on Instagram too, on her fitness Instagram. She has the most beautiful body and is clearly so in shape. And the workouts are really fast and simple and something easy to do at home if you guys are interested in that. There's a little recommendation for you. But yeah, overall, just trying to get back into like a really good routine here in New York. And something I've really been trying to focus on, especially towards the end of 2019 and then continue to work on it in 2020, is just overall better like work-life balance. And I think I've been doing really well at it, at least so much better than like this time last year. I was the worst, but I haven't been working in the evenings like I used to, which I know can be a really difficult thing if you're self-employed or freelance, work from home. But I haven't been working in the evenings unless something is urgent for the past few months, and I've seriously noticed a difference even just in my productivity and efficiency, like actually trying to set hours for myself and just taking the evenings to relax has been the best. Something that I would like to work on more with my working from home is properly getting dressed for the day. I can't really tell if it'll be beneficial to me. I know everyone says that it's beneficial, and sometimes I do feel better, but also I just like to be comfy. I'm wearing slippers and lounge pants and a sweater, so I don't look that presentable, but I think it's okay with me. But I hope you guys are having a nice start to 2020, getting back into work or school or whatever you've been doing. I hope you were able to take some time off and just chill out. I'd love to hear about your goals for the new year in the comments below if you're down to share them. But I need to keep going on my computer. And we've also just been working on the new collection. That's something I was doing in LA, was going around to our different fabric dealers, checking things out, visiting our jeweler. So I'm super excited about new stuff. I'm editing and classically forgot to film an outro clip, so here I am on my MacBook finishing this up. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll probably see you sometime later this week with a new video. Bye!